Hello students, hope you all are fit and fine at home. Students, I hope all of you have started learning at home. Those who have not started yet, start learning. So today we will start the second chapter from book number 1. The name of this chapter is The Seed. So students, do you know what is the meaning of seed? Seed means beej. When you eat an apple, inside that apple you will find some black color things. And those black color things are the seeds of that apple. Okay? Now in this story also, one little girl is there who found a seed. Now in this story we will see what this little girl will do with that seed. Okay? So before starting the chapter, we have to do one exercise, book exercise. Okay? So first let's do that. After that we will start the story. Okay? So students, here you can see one picture of a plant is given. Now the question is, can you identify its parts? So let's start. So do you know what is this? This is the picture of a flower. So give an arrow mark from here and write the spelling flower. F-L-O-W-E-R, flower. Then come to the next one. This is called bud. B-U-D, bud. Okay? Students, bud means फूल की कली. Okay? Then the next one. Do you know what is this? This is a leaf. So give an arrow mark from here and write the spelling leaf. L-E-A-F, leaf. Then students, do you know what these two things are? Two red color things? These are the fruits. So give an arrow mark from here and write the spelling fruit. F-R-U-I-T, fruit. Then students, this green color thing is called stem. Okay, so give an arrow mark from here and write the spelling stem. S-T-E-M, stem. And finally, these are called the roots. Okay, so give an arrow mark from here and write the spelling roots. R-O-O-T-S. Now, let's start this story. So students, first I will read the complete story. After that I will explain it. Okay? The seed. I found a seed. I put it in a pot. I gave it water and lots of sunshine. Is it a tree? Is it a bush? Will it have flowers? Will it have fruit? Will it grow tall? Will it stay small? I don't know. It doesn't matter. Okay, so this is the story. Okay, students, now I will explain it. So here in the first picture you can see that the little girl is holding a seed because she found that seed. Then she put that seed in a pot and she covered the seed with some soil. Then she gave water and lots of sunshine to the seed every day. After that, after some days, she was surprised to see that one little plant came out from that seed. Then, by holding that pot, she went to her grandfather and she is asking to her grandfather that, is it a tree? That means, क्या ये एक पेड़ है? Then, she went to her grandmother and she is asking that, is it a bush? That means, ये क्या एक झाड़ी है? Then she went to her aunt and she is asking that, will it have flowers? इसमें क्या फूल खिलेगा? Then she is asking to her uncle that, will it have fruit? That means, हमें क्या इससे फल मिलेगा? Then she is asking to her father that, will it grow tall? ये क्या बहुत ऊंचा पेड़ होगा? Then in the next picture you can see that she is asking to her mother that, will it stay small? ये क्या छोटा ही रहेगा? Then in the next picture you can see that the little girl is confused. So she is telling that, I don't know. Then finally the little girl is very happy because she saw that from that small plant some more leaves came out. Okay? So finally she said that it doesn't matter. Okay? Whether it will grow tall or it will stay small. It doesn't matter. Okay? Now let's do the book exercise. So all of you take out your book, page number 11. And see question number A. Tick the correct answer. Number 1. The girl found a toy or seed. What did the girl find? The girl found a seed. So give tick mark on seed. Number 2. The girl planted or ate the seed. The girl planted the seed. So give tick mark on planted. Number 3. The girl gave juice or water to the seed. The girl gave water to the seed. Give tick mark on water. Okay? Number 4. The girl does not know or knows what will become of the seed. The girl does not know. Okay? So give tick mark on does not know. Now let's move on to the next page. So, here question number A. Name the people you see in this picture. Choose the words from the box. So students, here you can see one picture of a family is given. And this is the family of this little boy whose name is Pallav. Okay? Now you have to identify the other members of his family. Okay? So let's start. So who is he? He is the father of this boy, Pallav. Okay? So give an arrow mark and write the spelling father correctly. Students, spellings are already given here. You have to write the spelling correctly. Okay? Now, who is he? He is the grandfather of Pallav. So give an arrow mark and write the spelling grandfather. Okay? Next, who is she? She is the grandmother of this boy, Pallav. Okay? So give an arrow mark and write the spelling grandmother. Okay? Next, who is she? She is the mother of Pallav. Okay? Give an arrow mark and write the spelling mother correctly. Okay? Lastly, who is this little girl? She is the sister of Pallav. Okay? So give an arrow mark and write the spelling sister correctly. Okay, students? Now, before starting the next question, you have to understand something. Okay? Students, I think in the previous class you have already learned about vowels and consonants, isn't it? So, let's see which are the vowels and consonants. Here you can see all these letters are called the alphabets from A to Z. No? So, from these letters A, E, I, O, U. These 5 letters are called the vowels, okay? And rest of the letters are called the consonant, okay? So which are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U, okay? Now let's do this question. Look at these pictures. Fill in the missing letters in the words. So here you can see some pictures are given and you have to fill up these blanks by using A, E, I, O, U. These 5 vowels. Okay? So let's start. So number 1. What is this, students? A, P, P, L, dash, E. Apple. So this is an apple. Number 2. M, dash, T. M, A, T. Mat. So this is a mat. Then D, dash, G. D, O, G. Dog. Number 4. T, dash, P. P, A, P. Tap. This is a tap. Number 5. S, dash, N. Sun. S-U-N. Sun. Then 6 number. P-N. P-E-N. Pen. Okay? This much for today. Thank you.